this activity, we're going to make a rain tube. What you need is a paper towel tube. Took some construction paper, already taped a piece on the end, kind of trace the inside for the inside of the tube, and then just kind of make a bigger, almost like 3.5-inch diameter circle around, because that's going to be our other end. To help us get the rain sound, we need 2 sheets of aluminum foil, about 7 inches each. I'm going to try to do this quickly, but kind of just kind of roll it like that, and then I kind of twist it around this broom handle. I have a Swiffer handle, Swiffer. We're going to try to make a spiral. Okay, got that wrapped around, and then we can just kind of let that slide it off. Now we need another. You also need a wooden spoon. This one's been decorated by Leah, but for this one, I'm going to kind of fold this kind of the same way, but we want to try to roll it into a kind of a thinner, almost like a wire shape. So we'll kind of work on it a little bit here. Make it a little kind of a thinner shape. Try to make a little tighter of a spiral. So here we go. So once you got that, you wrap around the wooden spoon handle. I'll slide that off. We're going to put this inside the bigger spiral. Kind of like that. And then we'll put all that in our tube. That you need about a 1/4 cup of rice. Kind of dump that in. Try to avoid spilling like I did. And then for our last circle, once we have it cut out, kind of cut little things all the way around, just around the periphery, not going, kind of trying not to go inside that inner circle that's going to cover the end of the tube. And then we put that on our thing and some packaging tape. If you want to, I didn't do it, but if you want to, you can get construction paper and decorate the outside of your tube any way you want. But for the sake of time savings, I didn't bother to decorate. I just wanted to show you how to make your own rain stick. Kind of get that on there. Okay, now we're secure. And that's how you make